Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a tutorial on this makeup look right here. I just wanted to make a video because I haven't done a video in so long, and I thought, what type of video could I do? And I was like, oh, fall makeup tutorial. I love fall. Fall is like one of my favorite seasons. I love the makeup looks especially. I wanted to do something with warm colors. I did not do a vampy lip. I did something with warm colors, and I did like a neutral lip. And I'm really happy with the way my makeup came out. I think it's really cute. And I think this is perfect for fall. So if you would like to know how I got this makeup look, just please keep watching. I am breaking out right here. Right here, right here. Like, I just have little breakouts over my face, but I should be able to cover them. I am going to use 2 different primers. They will be in the description box below. The first one I'm going to put in the T-zone of my face, because that's where I get the most oiliest. Then I'm going to take another primer. This one's more for like hydration, and I'm going to put that on the outer parts of my face. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Cucumber Primer Water. I'm going to spray my face just to add a little bit of extraness. I am going to take, trying to think which foundation I should use because I'm not really sure. Looks like this one may win. I'm just not sure what my color is anymore. Let's try this one. I think I'm going to add a little bit of this with this. Let's see. I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes. I like to go in triangle motions. I'm going to put it on my lid as well to conceal my lid. This will also help to prep for eyeshadow. I'm going to do a little bit down here. I think I'm going to do some up here. And go down. Just tapping that in to the skin. Now I am going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Medium Deep Loose Powder. This is one of my favorite powders from the drugstore, if not my favorite powder from the drugstore. And I'm just going to set my entire face. I am going to zoom very quickly through the brows because brows just take forever, and I just like to fast forward this part, so the next time you see me, my brows will be done. Now we are going to move on to the eyes. Today's video I'm going to use the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. I really like this palette. I got it over the summer and I just like it because it has all these beautiful shades, you know, colorful shades, neutral shades. You can definitely get a lot of looks out of this palette, and that's why I purchased it. So I am going to start off with, what do I want to start off with? I'm going to start off with this color right here. And do these have names? No, they don't have any names. They just have numbers. So I'm gonna start off with this neutral caramel shade, I guess you would say. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. And I'm just putting that back and forth in my crease. Now I'm going to take this orange shade right here, and I'm gonna put that on top. I'm going to take this Sigma brush, I don't even know the number anymore, and I'm going to take this warm color right here, that like kind of on the outer skirts of the eye, and just kind of put it in the crease. Now I'm going to take the shade right beside it, this brown shade, just to darken up the inner corners. I'm going to take just a little bit and just try to have that on here. I'm just going to take some concealer and just kind of carve, oops, way too much, did not mean to do that, way too much concealer. By doing this, when we put the eyeshadow on, it's gonna make it pop even more. I'm just gonna do like a little bit, like halfway. We don't need to go all the way over. I'm gonna pick up this color right here, and I'm going to set that concealer. It's like very tacky. I'm actually gonna spritz my brush with the Wet n Wild spray. I'm gonna tap it into my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put that on top of here. And I'm gonna go and reblend my crease. I'm just gonna take the colors that I was using at first and just mix them up and just put them in my crease. Then I'm gonna go back in and use these two shades right here and do my outer corner again, because I feel like I kind of lost some of it when I put that gold on my lid. So next I'm going to take this eyeshadow from Colorane, and it's called Champagne Life, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. So I'm just going to dab it in there. Just go here. I'm going to take this pencil from Jordana. I've had this for so long. I don't even want to tell you for how long I've had it, but it's old, and I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. I hate putting product in my waterline. I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to take this, I'm gonna take these two shades and mix them together and put that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that dark brown shade, and I'm going to put that over top of that. I'm going to contour, and I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty contour in Coco Naughty. This is my favorite bronzer at the moment. I just feel like it's everything. Ever since I purchased this, I've been using it. It's literally my favorite. And I'm just going to bronze my face. Bronzer everywhere. Okay, bronzer's done. Now I'm going to go in and put on some blush, and I'm going to use MAC's Peaches blush. I'm going to put that on the apple of my cheeks. Okay, we're almost done. I'm actually going to mix that blush, and I'm going to use CoverGirl's Peach Punch blush. I'm going to put that on top just to add a little bit of extraness. This blush smells really good. I'm going to put a little bit of brightening powder underneath my eye, and I'm going to use this one from Kat Von D. I'm just going to put that underneath my eye. Just a little bit, because this stuff is really bright. So then I'm just going to take my sponge and just kind of go like that. Just make sure everything is pressed in seamlessly. Just makes everything look better, the Beauty Blender. I am going to go into highlighter, and I am going to use this one from Maybelline, the Master Chrome highlight. I really like this one a lot. I actually really need a new highlighter. I love highlighter. I just haven't purchased any new ones because I've been getting them in my Ipsy bag. Let me know if you actually want for me to do a what's in my Ipsy bag, because I started getting Ipsy a few months ago, and so far I have been liking their products that they've been sending me. So let me know if you want to see that in the comments below. Again, I'm just gonna blend that in with my Beauty Blender. So I'm going to move on to lips, and I'm going to take this Kylie Jenner lip liner in True Brown K. Yeah, True Brown K. And I'm going to outline my lips. Okay, come on. I feel like all of my lip liners are like this. It's like they just want to fall out. But those are like some of my best lip liners. I'm going to take this liquid lipstick from Anastasia, and it's in Ashton. This is one of my favorite liquid lips to wear in the fall time. Now I'm going to set my face with this Morphe setting spray. And I'm going to just do this again. This is like a must for me. I just think it really puts the makeup into your skin. I'm going to step off camera and I'm going to apply my lashes because I'm not good at applying lashes on camera. So once you see me come back, this look will be completed. Okay, I'm back like 2 hours later. This is the final look. I really like the way it came out. I think it's a really cute fall look, and yeah, I'm really happy about it. I have on my lashes. These are the Lilly Lashes from Sephora. I got these from TJ Maxx a long time ago, and they're still holding up. And yeah, I really like them. If you like this video, please comment below and give me a thumbs up on this video. And until next time, bye.